Hey there, my name is Daniel, and today I'm going to show you how to use my employee tracker application. It is a text-based command line application that lets you interact with a database, specializing in creating and maintaining records for employees, roles, and departments. So let me show you how to get it started. Once you have the package installed, you want to navigate to the folder it's in your command line, and you want to run the command npm run start. And give it a second, it'll say welcome to the database, and you'll be brought into the main menu. In the main menu, you can see 5 different options. You can show all, which will give you a graph, or rather, it'll give you a chart that'll give you the employee's name, what their role is, what department they work in, how much they make, and who their manager is, if they have one. And each of the 3 options below it will let you manage some of these columns, like name, role, and department. I'm going to show you how managing departments work. You go in here, you get manage departments, you can display them all, and you'll get the department's name and its ID number. Go down to and add a new one. It'll ask you, what do you want to call the department? I'm going to call it manufacturing. That sounds very businesslike. And it'll tell you manufacturing department created. Let's go ahead and display them again. And we can see number 4, manufacturing, is there. Let's say I don't like the name sales anymore, so I'm going to edit the name sales. Let's say edit existing, which one? And we're going to use sales. What do you want to call the department? Seller. Sellers. There you go. Sales updated to sellers. Sweet. And let's display them all again. You'll see number 1 has been changed to sellers. Go ahead and show you how deleting works. It'll ask you again, which one? 1, 2, 3, or 4. Let's delete human resources. Can't have that in my company. It'll ask you, are you sure you want to do that? I'm going to say yeah. Human resources been deleted. So and it takes us back to the sub menu. Let's go back to the main menu and display everything again. We can see everybody who was in the HR department is now unassigned. We can assign them back to a department if we go down to manage roles. And if we go down to edit them, find which one is here. HR manager is unassigned, so let's pick HR manager. What do you want to call the role? We'll keep it the same. Whatever is in the parentheses, you can just hit enter and it will keep the same value. We're not going to change how much they make. Which department is this role in? Let's go ahead and put them in marketing, just for the heck of it. So if we display all the roles now, we can see the HR manager is now in marketing. But we can see that we don't yet have a record for our manufacturing department. So let's make a new role for manufacturing. So we're going to go add new. What do you want to call the role? Let's say builder, just because it sounds like somebody that makes stuff. How much position does this make a year? Numbers only. This will only accept a number, so if you write 50 here and hit enter, it'll say enter a number, dude. Okay. Let's make it 50,000 a year. Which department does this role work? We're going to pick manufacturing. Builder position created. So let's display all the roles again. And we can see builder here is ID number 7, makes 50,000 in the manufacturing department. Sweet. So number 6, HR generalist is still unassigned, but we don't actually need that position anymore because the HR department got deleted. So let's delete this one. Which one? We want to delete HR generalist. You sure you want to delete that? Yes, I am. HR generalist has been deleted. Display. Number 6 is now gone. So let's go back to the main menu and show everything again. And we can see this guy at the bottom doesn't have a role anymore, probably because it got deleted. So let's go back and edit his position. We can go into employees, display them all. You can see here, he's unassigned. Edit him. Which one? First name. We're going to leave his name the same. What role? Let's make him a builder. And who's his manager? This lets you pick from any of the other employees or none of them. Do we think Duke Nukem? Yes, he does. He definitely needs someone to keep him in control. So we're going to make Carl Smithers his boss. Record updated. So let's just display again. He is now a builder, and his manager is Carl Smithers. Cool. So let's add a new one just to show you how that works. Let's see employee's first name. Let's see. Last name. What role do they fill? Let's make him a marketeer. Who is the manager? We'll say nobody. Add it to the database. Display all. Got number 7 here. Marketeer. No manager. And deleting works exactly the same. Go down to delete. It'll ask you which one. We'll delete Bob. Sure you want to delete Bob? Actually, I'm not so sure about this one. Let's hit no. And it takes you back to the sub menu. So let's go back to delete and pick someone else. Alex is getting deleted. You sure? Yeah. Deleted. So if we display all the employees, Alex, who was number 4, is now gone. So back to the main menu. We'll show them all. So one thing that I forgot to show off is what happens when you delete somebody's manager. So I'm going to manage employees, display them all. Looks like Carl Smithers is the manager for 2 employees. What happens when I delete him? Let's delete Carl Smithers. Are you sure? Yeah. Carl Smithers has been deleted. Now we got Duke and Turd were managed by Carl Smithers, but now that Carl's gone, they have no manager. Once you're all done, go down to exit. We'll say bye, and that's it.